Imagine transforming a simple room in your home into a small premium factory that generates thousands of dollars every single month. Sounds impossible? Not at all. Today, we're diving into 10 profitable products you can easily manufacture yourself using compact machines that are affordable, simple to operate, and carry massive profit margins. Let's explore how you can start today. Welcome to your ultimate guide for launching profitable businesses from the comfort of your home. Here, we break down step-by-step methods, trending product ideas, and insider tips that can turn small investments into long-term income streams. Stay tuned until the end, because the last product could be the game changer you've been searching for. Let's get started with product number 1. Product 1, handmade luxury soaps. Luxury handmade soaps are one of the most profitable home businesses today. With a mixing blender and soap molding machine, you can produce consistent batches of soaps infused with natural oils, butters, and fragrances. Consumers love premium scents like lavender, coffee, and eucalyptus, and the global natural cosmetics market exceeds $10 billion. The production cost for a 100-gram bar ranges between 80 cents and $1, while the retail price goes from $5 to $7. The process is simple. Mix, mold, cure, and package under your own brand. You can start small and scale by selling through fairs, stores, or online platforms. Product 2, premium aromatic candles. Premium candles combine relaxation, atmosphere, and style, making them an evergreen product with high profitability. Using a digital wax melter, you can heat soy, paraffin, or beeswax to the perfect temperature. Add fragrances, colors, or decorative touches, and pour into containers for a flawless finish. Production costs are about $1.50 to $2 per candle, yet they sell for $10 to $15. Seasonal demand during Christmas, Valentine's Day, and other holidays allows huge sales opportunities. The process is straightforward. Melt, mix, pour, and let solidify. With creative designs and premium packaging, you can build collections that consistently attract buyers year-round. Product 3, nut butters and creams. Nut butters have surged in popularity thanks to health-conscious consumers. With a high-power grinder, you can transform peanuts, almonds, or walnuts into smooth, preservative-free creams. This market is booming, fueled by fitness trends and demand for natural protein-rich snacks. Production costs for a 250-gram jar are around $2, while the retail price ranges from $8 to $10. Roasting, grinding, and packaging are the only steps required, making it beginner-friendly. Create multiple variations. Add honey, cocoa, or protein for niche appeal. Sell locally at farmers markets or partner with supermarkets and cafes. It's a scalable business with wide profit potential. Product 4, fresh artisanal pasta. Fresh pasta combines tradition and premium taste, and with a dough mixer and pasta cutter, you can achieve consistent quality at home. Restaurants, gourmet shops, and hotels are constantly searching for authentic fresh pasta options. Production costs for 1 kilo range between $1.50 and $2, but selling prices reach $6 to $10. The process is simple. Blend flour, eggs, and water into dough. Then cut into spaghetti, fettuccine, or ravioli. Pack in vacuum-sealed containers to maintain freshness. Customers are willing to pay extra for quality pasta, and offering gluten-free or whole wheat varieties gives you an edge in this profitable niche. Product 5, gourmet jams and preserves. Gourmet jams are a creative and high-margin product. With a mixing cooker and automatic filling machine, you can produce batches of premium fruit preserves. The market favors unique flavors like mango with ginger, pineapple with cinnamon, or berry mixes with wine. The cost of a 250-gram jar is about $1 to $1.50, yet they can sell for up to 5 times more during holidays. The process: cook fruit with sugar and spices, fill jars, seal, and label with appealing designs. These jams are perfect for local markets, gourmet stores, and online sales. giving you flexibility to experiment and stand out. Product 6. Artisan breads and pastries. The artisan bakery market thrives on freshness and flavor. With a dough mixer and compact oven, you can create breads and pastries that compete with large bakeries. From sourdough and baguettes to croissants and gluten-free options, there's endless variety. Costs for a 500-gram bread loaf are about $1 to $1.50, while selling prices range from $4 to $6. The process: mix flour, yeast, and water. Let ferment, then bake to golden perfection. Specialty pastries fetch even higher prices. Start by selling locally and scale to cafes, hotels, or delivery services. Artisan bread is a timeless favorite with constant demand. Product 7. Craft beer. Craft beer is a fast-growing niche with enthusiastic demand. Using a fermentation kit and bottling machine, you can produce professional quality beer right from home. Styles like IPA, lager, and stout are always popular. Production costs are around $1 to $1.50 per liter, but retail prices range from $5 to $8, with premium editions earning more. The process includes boiling wort, adding hops, fermenting, maturing, and bottling. Branding plays a huge role here, as consumers love creative labels and unique recipes. Craft beer works for direct-to-consumer sales, bars, or local events, giving you multiple avenues to grow and succeed. Product 8. Premium Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt has a strong position in the health and gourmet sector. With a pasteurizer, incubator, and filling machine, you can produce high-protein yogurt that meets modern fitness trends. The cost of a 200-gram container is less than $1, but it sells for $3 to $4. The process is straightforward. Pasteurize milk, add cultures, ferment until thick, strain, and package. You can offer lactose-free, protein-enriched, or fruit-flavored variations to capture different segments of the market. Yogurt's long shelf life, lightweight packaging, and rising global demand make it an attractive business idea with potential for rapid scaling and brand growth. As you've seen, you don't need massive factories or heavy investments to start a profitable business. With just vision, compact machines, and a product people want, you can generate real income right from home. Each idea here is scalable. Start small, grow big, and build a brand that lasts. The future of entrepreneurship starts in your own room. Ready to begin? I've added trusted supplier links in the description so you can import the machine safely and start building today. Which of these 10 products excites you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more business ideas, and turn on notifications so you never miss out.